Currently, we do have in place 6 different graduate degree programs. We have our MPS degrees in fashion merchandising and retail management, fashion marketing, global fashion supply chain management, the business of fashion, the business of cannabis, and our Master of Science in Consumer Analytics.
I am doing my master's in fashion marketing. It is the best decision I've ever made. I have great professors who could guide me in my career path. I got hands-on experiences by giving presentations and participating in class activities. So it's an amazing experience.
You really get a leg up in terms of what's going on in the industry. The classes are taught by industry professionals, so there's an awful lot of really first-hand experience that is given to the students. It really allows students to kind of anticipate what's going to happen in the field.
All of our degree programs are at the cutting edge. We've incorporated newer technologies that are currently being used in the fashion and its related industries. We've also completed more flexibility for students in the way of both virtual and online, as well as in-person learning. Our students are always able to have flexible schedules and stay at the cutting edge.
The business of cannabis is an interesting program because obviously it's new, it's an emerging field. The industry really needs professionals who know not only the marketing and the sales and the merchandising and all the background information about selling the product, but also just know about the specific industry. As an employer, you know that an LIM grad is going to have a level of understanding of the industry that somebody who hasn't gone through the program wouldn't have.